Hello dear friends, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video I'm going to show you how can you write any kinds of text messages in bold, italic, strike-through. To italicize your message, place an underscore on both sides of the text. To bold your message, place an asterisk on both sides of the text. To strike through your message, place a tilde on both sides of the text. To monospace your message, place 3 backticks on both sides of the text. To add a bulleted list to your message, place an asterisk or hyphen and a space before each word or sentence. To add a bulleted list to your message, place an asterisk or hyphen and a space before each word or sentence. To add a numbered list to your message, place a number, period, and space before each line of text. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you face any kind of problem then, please let me know. I'll try my best to help you. Thanks to comment you give, like, and to subscribe.